Hi guys, and welcome back. So after a few months of being away, actually almost a whole year of not doing any tutorial videos for YouTube whatsoever, I have decided to come back because I have loads of great ideas that I want to share with you. So if you have followed my previous videos, you could see that I was doing tutorials on drafting garments because I do my own patterns. So this is going to be a full set of videos that are going to be based on pattern making and design ideas as well. So what can you expect? My videos for this set of whole video tutorials are going to be videos for a DIY summer wardrobe. How are we going to do that? We're going to go through the whole design process that I figured out kind of myself, and this would probably be my own way of saying to you how you actually do your own collection or your wardrobe. So this is a design way by me. First, we have to figure out the colors that we're going to use and the fabrics that we're going to use. And later on, we're going to jump onto the whole collection and see which garments are going to be made from which fabric and in which color. For now, let's just focus on the colors. So I have 5 colors that I will be using for the DIY capsule wardrobe. The first color is going to be white. Why white? Because white is the color of the summer, and with a white garment, you cannot go wrong. Everything that you made in white color is going to be absolutely usable for 10, 20, 30 years in advance, and you will always wear it in summer. Color number 2 of the DIY wardrobe collection is going to be sand. This is actually a base color that is used in all different stores like Zara or H&M and so on. You can always see it somewhere there, and you will always find a pair of pants or a top or a shirt or a dress in a cream color or a sand color. Cream color or sand color would be kind of similar, I'd say. So you can go with sand, taupe, ecru, or khaki. That would all go into the same color family. So if you choose one of those, you will not be going wrong. Color number 3, yes. Color number 3 is olive. Why would you go for olive? Because olive is the ultimate summer color besides white. Yeah, I love olive because olive color and garments made out of olive are going to be used throughout the year. Color number 4 is orange or terracotta. Orange terracotta, let's say. This is the color that goes really well with all the other colors, and if you combine it with khaki, cream, or white, you will get a perfect combination. So it will be included in the DIY color wardrobe combination as a 4th color. Additional colors. There are additional colors? Yes. Additional colors that I would actually consider making garments from are going to be blue and brown. Blue is definitely going to be used in my collection to make pieces out of denim, as denim is blue. So all sorts of blue denim is very much welcome in a DIY collection or DIY capsule wardrobe. And especially because a denim skirt or a pair of denim pants is something that you will be wearing from one to another summer for ages. Another color that I would definitely recommend to consider is brown. Why? Because brown is within the family of the colors that I've suggested, and that is cream. Brown is a color that will match perfectly with orange, white, sand, olive, and terracotta, as well as denim. All of the colors that we went through now are the colors that are going to be used in the DIY color wardrobe summer wardrobe collection. Now let's talk about the fabrics. There are going to be only a couple of fabrics that I will be using because throughout the years of my experience as a sewer, I kind of noticed that over the summer months I tend to stick with a few fabrics that I use, and everything else is just not usable, especially as I live in Croatia now, in Dalmatia, and it's really warm. Linen is the first one because it's breathable and it's an ultimate summer fabric. Second one is cotton, because cotton is again breathable and very cool. third fabric is viscose because it's cool. And the fourth fabric that I will be using is going to be satin, and it's going to be used only for one dress and one skirt, and that is a slip skirt that is very popular now, so I just can't. I have to make it. When it comes to other fabrics that you might use, I would definitely recommend to use denim, as I will be using that one as well, because a denim skirt, denim pants, or a denim dress is something that you will be wearing for ages, my dear. Anything else? Well, I think that's kind of it. You can actually go and buy chiffon or silk or, well, any other fabrics that you wish, but I'm just gonna stick with those 4 fabrics because I think I'm gonna get the most wear out of them, and I will be more than happy to wear them every single year. Next part is the second video that I will be sharing with you, and in this video I will be breaking down the whole collection part by part, and I will be checking my whole wardrobe to see what I actually have and what I need to do or make. In the next video I'm going to show you how to put the whole collection together. We're gonna draw something, we're gonna put things together, match them, and so on. So it's going to be very exciting, and I hope you will watch it. Have fun and see you later.